Welcome to the Hamptons. Hi Nomads, it's Tanya. So my friend Nenya, who you might remember from my Dubai videos, is getting married, and her sisters planned a fun bachelorette weekend in the Hamptons to celebrate. So I'm taking you along with me so we can see what autumn in the Hamptons has to offer. So the Hamptons consists of a group of villages and hamlets that together form the South Fork of Long Island. It's about a 2-hour drive east of New York City and is a popular summer destination for the wealthy. Welcome to downtown Sag Harbor. So now we're in Sag Harbor, which has a downtown area with all sorts of cute shops, restaurants, antique stores, and art galleries. Associate beachy places with ice cream, even in autumn. So it's a sunny, crisp autumn morning and we're at Cedar Point County Park going on a 5-mile walk. So I didn't know until we started on this trail that there's a real risk of ticks, which is really scary, but we just saw a praying mantis, which I've never seen before, which is so cool. So far so good. So this is your prize for dealing with possible ticks, is this beautiful bluff where you can see the ocean. Like farm stand area for a little lunch and entertainment. They have grilled corn, apple cider donuts, they have pumpkin picking, a corn cannon behind me, a corn maze, all sorts of interesting fall stuff. Was to do the corn maze, but after our hike in the morning, we didn't really feel like spending an hour wandering through the corn maze in the sun. It's been a full morning, kind of tiring, so I took a quick dip in the pool. It was freezing. and we're gonna get some coffee here downtown. I got the creme brulee latte, so good. We finished up our time with a nice dinner in downtown Sag Harbor. Well, that's it for our trip to the Hamptons, but I have a lot more exciting travels to come, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when new videos are available. Until next time, bye!